Thank you so much. That fired me up. You know, it's been crazy. We're all talking about it. We've been crazy, and you kind of think, okay, as the world turns, my grandmother's favorite show that has never left me, your art kind of develops, you hope, right? And so I kind of historically wrote family stories, and I still do, but during the pandemic, I was kind of thinking, you know, this is a bit of a world on end, and this title came to me. It felt like almost sort of a surreal world where humans end and birds begin. And enter that world with me now, if you will. If you can see her, Cheryl Lynn is this musky woman after work. She's got a stolen Rembrandt in her purse, and she is idling at an open mic at a downtown club. She got a box of unlit matches in her mouth. If her jaw relaxes, I'm afraid barn swallows will swarm out in this world where humans end and birds begin. She's a love dove of a woman, yet an insomniac. Peddling peace to folks with this little olive branch. What the hell she's got to be sorry for? She keeps one white feather tucked behind each ear. Will you all wave with me to her imaginary friends over there? Hiya, Maya Angelou. Dorothy Allison, is that you? Tom Waits. Anise Mojgani. Who among us in this crowd maybe have doused a dream never uttered out loud? There's strength in numbers, they say. Never forget that gorilla named Regret, brandishing a bayonet, dangling off a chandelier. Or that pig named Patriarchy, honking the horn in the parking lot. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, forget about him. This is about Cheryl Lynn. Cheryl Lynn is perched like a promise on the edge of our stage, like a hummingbird bumping on the bars of its cage. Never speaking, just pecking at the mic. One night it causes this shrill feedback. And Cheryl Lynn thinks, yeah, this is what real music sounds like in this world where humans end and birds begin. If the walls grow quiet, Cheryl Lynn just might take flight on the long arm wings of what looks like she's shooting us both the peace sign and the middle finger. Is it peace? Forget you. Oh, I pray it's peace. Her beaked lips do quiver as she skyrides this love. this transfiguration, you may feel like you've watched her degradation. But believe me, baby, she dances like a car-struck cat, confused for chasing butterflies. I want to rise and cheer for Cheryl Lynn for all those years of suffered silence. But then I find I am deathly quiet before the throne of her. Woman seems self-taught to me. At the end of her performance, it comes to a close, and she knows what she knows, what she knows, though she's never actually spoken. Oh, but look at the rust on her wrists from the chains that she has broken. She flits and flutters back to her seat, darts in and dares us, kissing our cheeks, baptizing a boldness we may or may not seek. From the back of the club, that's when her wings start to sprout. Perhaps it's then, maybe it's then that she shouts, "Who among us has never spoken? Say I. Who among us has never spoken?"